Okay, I got Buddy on a leash, and it's a good thing. The dogs don't see it, but I just saw a giant deer hop right across this road. They weren't looking. So we're coming into deer country. Hopefully Charlie doesn't give chase, because holy crap, where is it? There's got to be another one. Going uphill here too, so you notice I'm out of breath. It's because I'm wearing 66 pounds of clothes and long underwear. P.S. I'm out of shape. I think it's fun to try to spot these deer before the dogs do. That crunching sound is me eating my sunflower seeds. Sorry. Buddy looks like a wet rat. Charlie, stay close. I don't want you getting killed by a deer. Colder than hell, and I'm sweating like a dog because I got so many freaking clothes on. Not healthy. Okay, I thought I just heard a deer. There, up ahead, at the top of the road, just from right to left, just one ran across. I don't think that you could see it. It was as far up on the cameras in the view as you could see. See where the little split rail fence is up there? That's where the last one came from. Right here. So he came out of here and he went right across the road here, up into this area. Oh crap, I'm out of shape, man. This hill is killing me. Alright, we're almost at the top. Now I gotta be careful because over here is a cliff, and that could be the end of Charlie if he follows a deer. The deer actually have little trails that go down a cliff. Charlie, stay over here. Come here, I'm gonna hook him up.